Okay, here we are on the southeast corner of Angle Lake. There's the western leg. Panning over, we have the northern leg, and here in the southeast corner is the spillway. When the water gets up to a certain height above that bulkhead, this allows for drainage off of the lake to prevent the neighboring yards from experiencing flooding. This drainage is said to have been put in the late 60s. When Military Road was put in sometime late last century before, 1800s or early 1900s, the natural spillway, since this is the lowest part of the lake, was cut off and homes were placed there. And what was being experienced is annually, when the runoff, the rain is significant, the homes on this end would constantly flood. Local folklore has it, which I'm intending to research further, is that when I-5 was being redone in the late 60s, they came to the Angle Lake homeowners and said, is there anything we can do to help make the experience a little better? And some local residents had suggested they put in this spillway. So this spillway runs from this location through the property owner's property and out next to I-5. That's what I'd like to research and find out the history on it. That's all.